Top 5 calcium mistakes that make your bones weak after 60. You've probably heard it your whole life. Drink your milk. It'll make your bones strong. But what if I told you that might not be entirely true? After the age of 60, your bones don't just weaken because of age. They weaken because of the calcium mistakes most people never realize they're making. In fact, millions of older adults are unintentionally harming their bone health, even while taking supplements every single day. So today, let's uncover the top 5 calcium mistakes that silently make your bones weaker after 60, and what you can do instead to keep them strong, flexible, and pain-free for years to come. 1. The more calcium, the better. Myth. Let's start with the biggest myth of all, that more calcium equals stronger bones. It sounds logical, right? Calcium builds bones, so taking more should help. But here's the shocking truth. Your body can only absorb so much calcium at a time. When you overload on calcium, especially through supplements, your body can't process it efficiently. The excess doesn't go into your bones. Instead, it can end up in your arteries, kidneys, and soft tissues, increasing your risk of kidney stones and even heart disease. Research shows that adults over 60 should aim for around 1,000 to 1,200 milligrams of calcium per day, and that includes food and supplements combined. If your diet already includes calcium-rich foods like yogurt, almonds, sardines, and leafy greens, you may not need high-dose supplements at all. The key is balance, not overload. So before popping that extra calcium tablet, ask yourself, are you nourishing your bones or just stressing your body? 2. Relying only on calcium and forgetting the supporting nutrients. Here's another big mistake, thinking calcium works alone. Calcium is like the bricks of a house, but you still need cement, wood, and nails to hold everything together. That cement for your bones is vitamin D, magnesium, and vitamin K2. Vitamin D helps your body absorb calcium efficiently. Without it, all that calcium goes to waste. Magnesium helps regulate where calcium goes, preventing it from getting stuck in your arteries. And vitamin K2 ensures calcium actually reaches your bones and stays there. Many seniors take calcium supplements religiously, but never check their vitamin D or magnesium levels. And that's like trying to build a house with bricks but no mortar. So if you're serious about bone strength, make sure you're combining these nutrients. A good daily routine might include getting at least 15-20 minutes of sunlight a day for natural vitamin D, eating magnesium-rich foods like pumpkin seeds, spinach, and whole grains, adding vitamin K2 sources like eggs, butter, or fermented foods to your meals. When these nutrients work together, your bones get the complete support they truly need. 3. Taking calcium at the wrong time. Timing matters more than most people think. Many older adults take calcium supplements whenever they remember, sometimes all at once, right before bed. That's another common mistake. Your body can only absorb about 500-600 milligrams of calcium at a time, so if you're taking a large dose in one go, half of it is likely wasted. Here's a simple fix. If your doctor recommends 1,000 milligrams daily, split it into 2 doses, one with breakfast and one with dinner. Also, remember that calcium competes for absorption with other minerals like iron and zinc. So avoid taking your calcium supplement alongside a multivitamin or iron pill. And here's something most people don't know. Calcium citrate can be taken with or without food, but calcium carbonate needs to be taken with a meal to absorb properly. So always check the label. The timing and type of calcium can make a huge difference in how well your body actually uses it. 4. Ignoring the role of vitamin D, the calcium activator. Imagine you've built a fortress of calcium around your bones, but the doors are locked. That's what happens when your vitamin D levels are low. Vitamin D is the key that unlocks calcium absorption. Without it, your body simply can't move calcium from your food into your bloodstream, no matter how much you take. Unfortunately, as we age, our skin becomes less efficient at producing vitamin D from sunlight, and many seniors spend most of their time indoors. That's why low vitamin D levels are one of the top hidden causes of bone weakness and osteoporosis after 60. So how can you fix it? Get your vitamin D levels tested at least once a year. Aim for a level of around 30 to 50 nanograms per milliliter, (gml), for healthy bone maintenance. If your levels are low, your doctor might recommend a supplement, usually 800 to 2000 IU per day, depending on your needs. And don't forget, vitamin D also boosts your mood, energy, and immune system. So it's not just good for your bones, it's good for your whole life.